Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? It's Halloween Drawings, and today we're going to go over how to draw a cat shadow. Basically, we're going to draw a cat, a black cat for Halloween, and all we're going to do is draw the shadow of it. So, I'm going to be using this marker, and let's get started. I'm going to start right here with pulling up into a point, pulling up into another point, another point's on the side, that's for the head. Pulling down into the neck. I'm going to do an S curve to the back, for the back. And I'm going to kind of follow that along with the body there. It doesn't matter since we're going to shade it all black to put lines through it. Straight down. For the paw down here. Pulling straight down again. There's going to be a little kink in the foot. And throw some circles here for eyes. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it in. This marker is starting to die a little bit. I have to be careful. Also, don't forget to buy the sketchbook, the kind of full of Halloween sketches. Check that out. That is on sale right now. I'm going to put that in the link in the description. If you want to learn more about stuff, you can learn about it from my personal art. And my personal art is on sale for 15 bucks. It is extremely cheap for a limited time for how many pages of content there is. There's tons of pages of content. So pick that up before it's not there anymore. Also, I'm just continuing to fill in this here. I need to buy a new marker soon because the marker's starting to dry out a bit. These markers, I'm going to put a supply list in the link below, and you can see the it's really just a marker in the paper at this point. You can see what I use and why I use it. That's pretty much it. I filled that in, and that is a black Halloween cat. Thank you. Oh, also, I'm gonna add some whiskers shadow there to make it look like a cat. Alright, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. If you do like it, press that like button. Also, share the video for Halloween. I want to bring in the Halloween season early. We have about 2 months, so thank you so much, guys. I'll talk to you later.